Hey guys, I'm going to make a video here real quick to show you how to change the Wi-Fi settings on your GC3 keypad. So if you've got a new internet provider or you changed your wireless network, or for some reason your panel is no longer connected to your Wi-Fi, this is how you do it. Go ahead and just touch the screen to wake it up. Click on System Settings and put in your master code. So your master code is going to be that code number 1 in your system. It's maybe the only code you have even, but it'll be the first code that we set up with you. Once you put that code in, you'll get to this screen. You're going to scroll down to Network Settings, and then you're going to click on Wireless. And that's going to pop up a list of networks. Now, if you're already connected to a wireless network like we are, then it's just going to show that network. If you're not connected, it should give you a list of them here. If it does, you can click the refresh button. And if that just absolutely doesn't work, you can go through the join other networks. But we're going to assume that you've got listed networks here, or you've hit refresh and got listed networks. And so you're going to find the one that you want. In this case, we're going to connect to the Fidelity Guest by just clicking on it. And you'll see here where it says auto and manual. If we should probably step back one step here. If you have a passcode on your wireless network, which I hope you do, it would have popped up a little window here and had you type in the whatever your key is to access your network, whatever the password is to access the network. Once it does that, it should automatically be set to auto. Auto is going to give you the DHCP address off of your network, which is what we have here. Most of the time, you're just going to use DHCP. There's no reason to typically create your own IP address, but if for some reason you need to put a static IP address in here, you'll simply just click on the little button that goes from auto to manual. And when you do that, all these data will disappear. It'll all become zeros, and there'll be a pencil over here. And you can click on the pencil for each line and type in the actual numbers that you want. So you're going to need the IP address, the subnet mask, the gateway, and the DNS. If it happens to time out like mine just did, just go ahead and hit the button again and wake it back up real quick. Once you've got all that done, you're going to hit the back arrow, and then you're going to hit the back arrow again. One more time here, and now we're out to our system settings, and back arrow, and now we are back to our panel. That's all there is to it. So again, if you need to change your Wi-Fi, it's just that easy under system settings.